Introduction to Physics. Starting from good morning to good night, we come across the different living, non-living and living things. All these are concerned with physics. As far as physics is concerned, the universe is divided into two parts, energy and matter. What is energy? Energy is capacity of physical system to perform the work. There are different types of energies: kinetic energy, potential energy, light energy, sound energy, heat energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, atomic energy, and so on. Solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, up to gravitational energy, and so on. So all these are the types of energies, and depending upon these types of energy, we study the different sub-branch of physics, like kinetic energy and potential energy studied in the branch mechanics. Light energy is concerned with optics, whereas acoustics is nothing but the study of sound energy. Heat and thermodynamics is nothing but the study of heat energy, and electrical energy, magnetic energy, and so on we study in the different branches of the physics. Now, what is matter? Matter is the most commonly, the matter is defined as any substance which has mass and which occupies the space. All physical objects are composed of matter in the form of atoms, which are in turn composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. What are the states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gaseous are the major states of matter. What is meant by solid? The matter which holds a particular shape and has a fixed volume, that is named as solid. Whereas liquid occupies the shape of container, and it has the fixed volume, and gaseous are not having any particular shape and also volume. Whatever may be the container, it occupies the shape of the that of container, and also it has the volume of that container. When we provide certain heat energy to the solid, solid is converted into liquid. When heat is provided to the liquid, then liquid state is converted into gaseous state, and if you provide more and more energy, gas is converted into the plasma state. Also, we know that there is the interconversion of energy. In inverter, or in the inverter, we consider electricity is converted into chemical energy whenever light is cut off, whereas chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. In fan, motor, lift, or washing machine, this electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. In photoelectric effect, light energy is converted into electricity, whereas in heater, micro oven, electricity is converted into heat. So how we can define physics? Physics is the branch of science in which we study matter, energy, and interaction between them. Or physics deals with matter on scales ranging from subatomic particles to stars. Subatomic particles to the galaxial particles, that is stars and planets, are studied under the head of physics. So once again we may repeat the definition of physics. What is physics? Physics is the study of matter, energy, and interaction between two. Physics is the branch of science which deals with the matter, energy, and interaction between them. What is the role of physics in science? In a broader sense, physics can be seen as the most fundamental of the natural sciences. Chemistry, for example, can be viewed as a complex application of physics as it focuses on the interaction of energy and matter in chemical system. Whereas we also know that biology is at its heart an application of chemical properties in living things, which means that it is also ultimately ruled by the physical laws. Thank you very much.